Yüzüçü sütüçü panız Nernadanas kahçeyi kom Her kaydeyiz Çulagi panız Panikot zanı Dakıcan.
She arrived yesterday from Kashmir.
She did?
Yes, Fatima. Poor woman looks far older than her years. Tired, too. I had to force her to take a good rest. Kashmir is a long way from here, you know.
Of course. It must have cost a lot of money to bring her here.
It did. Do you know who paid for her trip?
No. I wondered about it, though.
Her fellow Kashmiris. They pooled money. Some chipped in their life savings in order to send her here.
How very touching. They are really determined to tell the world their story.
That is right. And they collected the money against all odds. You know, for instance, one father whose only son disappeared 14 years ago sold the son's wristwatch and contributed the money.
Oh my, really?
Indeed. The mother of another missing son refused to buy her food rations and gave the money for the trip instead.
She must be terribly deprived now.
She said her hunger can't wait.
It makes me cringe to think of their losses. As a mother, I can't bear to think of Omar even going anywhere without telling me. I can't fathom how they suffer their loved ones' disappearances.
Terribly sad, isn't it? Just imagine their pain and frustration.
I don't have to imagine, my sister. I actually feel it.
Do you know they have also written a letter to us?
Really? What does it say?
I haven't read it yet. It is still with Habba. We will see it later.
Oh, I'm really touched by the faith they show in us. I hope we can be of some assistance.
I hope so too. Their suffering deserves help. When I saw Habba yesterday, a shiver ran through me. Here she was, a mere skeleton of a woman, searching for her sons for 9 long years.
Oh my God, 9 years? This is heartbreaking.
Yes, it is. And how I wish the whole world could witness her in person. She is the human face to the tragedy that has been relegated to the back pages of newspapers.
How very true. Most people don't know about their plight.
That's right. Most people don't. For their predicament, their loved ones have become numb statistics, dead numbers in the sensational media glare.
Mama, Habba is here. Oh, comment ça va?
Très bien, merci.
Habba, this is Fatima, our dearest friend from Palestine. She too lives in the courtyard. And this is Habba from Kashmir.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the courtyard, Habba. I'm so happy to meet you.
I too am very happy to be here. My fellow Kashmiris send their greetings.
Habba, come sit here. What will you have? Juice or tea? I know Kashmiris drink lots of green salted tea. I'm sorry we don't have that here.
It's all right. I will have some water. Thank you.
Oh, salted green tea. Interesting. How is it prepared? Any recipe?
Beta, we won't let her go without getting the recipe. Kashmiri salted tea is delicious. But get her a glass of water first, please.
Oui, Mama. Right away.
Habba, I hope you aren't sleepy because of the jet lag.
Oh no, Akila. Sleep has gone out of my eyes forever. All I feel is a haunting numbness, a never-ending torture.
I'm sorry. I understand how you must feel. It must be a nightmare for you and others in Kashmir.
Nightmare it is, and worse, because we live it 24 hours every day. We are restless. No one can sleep without having peace of mind. Every eye back home is stabbed with grief. Rest eludes us.
Tell us about it, please. Sharing your grief will ease your pain. Hopefully, it will lighten the burden.
Here is your water, Habba.
Thank you very much.
After facing so many difficulties, you are able to arrive here in America in order to speak of their tragedy. We're very anxious to know about it.
Go on, Habba. Tell us, please. And hopefully we'll be able to tell the whole world. We really want to hear from you. It's been a long time since we have been hearing stellar statistics about Kashmir.
Sisters, your concern really touches me, and I thank you very much. How we want to rip open our hearts to show the world our suffering. How we want to ask the powers that be a simple question. What if their sons, brothers, loved ones, what if these people do not return home in the evening? Will a morsel of food go down their throats when they don't know what has happened to them? Sisters, will you help this miserable mother to come to terms with the disappearance of my sons? Console me and I will console thousands of mothers and sisters back home who can't stop crying just like me.
I know it is very hard to console yourself with patience in such times.
It is. How will my poor friend back home dry her tears? How does a wife give up searching for her disappeared husband? What does she tell her children when they ask for their father? She can't even say he is dead, because it seems as though they have just vanished into thin air.
It surely must be terrible for the children.
Their situation is heart-wrenching. How does one face a daughter who won't get up from the doorway till her father comes home, insisting over and over again, "Daddy said he will get me a doll. He will come home with a big doll for me. He promised." Who can tell her that he may not be just late, that he may never come home again?
How tragic. What demonic motivations can be behind these enforced disappearances?
You mean people vanish just like that? Impossible!
Yes, they do, my sister. Every day new cases are reported, just as my sons vanished.
What happened?
I run, crazed with other mothers, our eyes almost blind from crying. Penniless, we go from one detention center to the other, searching in vain for our children. Many died heartbroken, but Allah knows we don't want to die without knowing what happened to our loved ones.
Please don't cry.
Don't lose heart, Habba. God is great. Inshallah, you will see peace when God-loving people of the world rally behind you all in your search for justice.
But why? Mama, why? Why does it have to happen? Why does history have to be a testimony to dark repetitions of cruel power-ridden eras and not the golden periods of civility and tolerance?
Easy, Betu, easy. We will talk in the morning. Right now, let us help Habba to her room. She needs to be alone.
That's right, Jacqueline. We Kashmiris have been struggling for independence since very long.
I didn't know anything about Kashmir till Mama told me about Kashmiri's struggle against big superpowers of the subcontinent.
Our travails are endless. Take me, for instance. My younger son, Farouk, was a quiet boy. He worked as a tailor. His older brother, Parvez, joined the fighting.
Just like my sister-in-law's son in Palestine, he was killed also.
How heart-wrenching. It's the same story in the valley. Parvez was just 20. Never saw much of him after he went away. Occupying forces raided our house every other day. They would beat us, often taking my husband and Farouk, torturing them. We would plead that Parvez never came home. My husband was so badly beaten over the years that his kidneys got fatally damaged.
Oh my God, did he get well?
He recovered forever. He died a year later.
These are tragic tests that God puts on humanity.
Oh, but the terror that man makes. One night, they took Farouk away, dragged from his bed. They said they would release him after they got Parvez, who they accused us of hiding.
What? They took the younger one when they couldn't find his brother? What kind of madness is that?
Horrifying.
What happened after that?
Eventually they got Parvez. It was in the papers. But Farouk was never released. I was never allowed to meet any of them, nor told in which interrogation center they were held. I kept running from one detention center to another, without success. No one listened to my pleas for years.
You did not stop looking for them, no?
No, but nothing happened. No news of Parvez or Farouk. I never saw my children again.
But something must have come up. Didn't you get any information?
Nothing substantial. Only odd rumors kept me going. After 18 months of endless search, I heard that Farouk was incarcerated outside the valley.
You mean some jail outside Kashmir?
Yes, but it was just a rumor. He wasn't there. Such odd information, figments of people's imagination. Vague rumors have made me keep up my search for 9 long years. It's all silent now. I long for just a glimpse of my sons. Farouk's shirt still hangs on the peg in the room. The walls seem to close in on me. It feels any time he may come in to wear it, but it never happens.
Didn't you approach the government? I mean, after all, those who make these enforced disappearances are answerable.
Not in Kashmir. Human life doesn't have much value. I am not the only one. There are thousands of enforced custodial disappearances, and no one seems to care.
Thousands? Impossible.
Yes, thousands. They just disappear. Husbands, sons, fathers, all taken away, never to be found again. Mothers sit hungry outside prisons in biting cold, under burning sun, year-round. They beg, "Sir, you took my son away that night. Let me see him once, please, sir, I beg you." And we get cold stares from the officials. Often we were dragged away, or tear-gassed, beaten and wounded, never to show our faces again.
Why don't you organize a large protest and take to the streets in thousands?
We do, but nothing works. Now see, the new chief minister of Kashmir promised to look into custodial disappearances. But then, one day, just out of the blue, he claimed there were hardly 60 such cases. We were enraged. We have evidence for thousands of disappearances.
What did you do with the evidence?
What can we do but refute his words? He listened to us and then promised to look into the matter again.
Did he?
He did nothing to redress our grievances. Not that we expected much. We know that our fight is against power-occupying enemy.
A major holocaust. That's what I think it is.
It is. Farouk is innocent. He did not do anything wrong. Yet I may never see him alive again. They deny ever taking him into custody.
It is an outrage. For goodness sake.
It is. And worse. It's as though he never existed. But I carried him in my stomach for 9 months and gave birth to him. Or was I dreaming when they took him away? Am I a liar or a mad woman? Who will give him back to me?
You surely are not mad, Habba. Not in the least.
No one can deny your words or take away your human rights forever, Habba, nor the rights of your children to live a peaceful life.
This is absolutely true.
We don't ask for much. We just want to know what they have done to them. To mourn if they are dead. Mark an inch of earth as their grave. Get back their remains. But we have no solace of truth. Listen to what the others have to say. Here, this is what they have written.
Jacqueline,
Oui, Maman?
please read out the letter to us.
Oui. Dear humane people of the world, peace to you all. As for us, you see our reflection in Habba. Her eyes are a testimony to our fate. She speaks for all of us. Her tears will reveal our likeness. We, the unfortunate fathers, mothers, wives, children, brothers, sisters of the vanished people. Some were part of the struggle, most were just washed away with the current. As the flood of cruelty surges through our land, wiping out everything that comes in its way, we who bore the pain of getting our sons in the world now suffer their enforced disappearances. Are we wrong in asking for their whereabouts? Please don't tell us to stop waiting for them every evening. On every Eid, do oppressors have the power to wipe out anybody from the face of the world and deny their kin any information about them? Aren't we human? As families, don't we deserve to mark the graves of our loved ones? Or meet them again if they are alive? Don't people in struggle have any human rights? What kind of injustice is this? Which human rights charter endorses democracies to tackle struggles in this gruesome way? Our lakes are ridden with faceless corpses. Rubbish heaps reek of rotting bodies. Our hearts sink when unidentified bodies are fished out. We run to see them. Maybe it's her son. Maybe it's his father. Each day we die countless deaths. But then a knock on the door sends us rushing out. Children bundle outside to see. Fathers may have returned. We don't know what to do with our young brides. Half-widows, we call them, awaiting their vanished husbands. How can they be denied the dignity of knowing whether they are dead or alive? Isn't it ironic? We beg for the truth even if it is a gruesome fact that our loved ones have been killed in custody, not minding the prayers we offer them to see them alive. We somehow know that in our hearts they are no more. So many years have passed, and even now, each day, new mourners join us. Each day the pain becomes more and more unbearable. Each day we get together in the hopes that our pleas may be heard. With 2-year-olds who have never seen their fathers holding placards saying, "Where is my dead?" Who will answer them? Each day our hopes are dashed. But we pursue on. Our faith rekindles as we send Habba to you in hopes that the world may know our suffering. May God help us in our mission. Signed, In Search of Justice for Our Disappeared Loved Ones.
Remarkable. How very brave to keep hopes afloat in such tough times. May God help you.
My heart goes out for them, but I too can't help but admire their strength. Their faith is the bird which feels the light when the dawn is still dark.
I must say, I feel a strange relief in this ungauged outpouring. No one has ever lent us a sincere ear. I can feel the comfort, the inexpressible comfort of feeling safe with a person, having neither to weigh thoughts nor to measure words, but to pour them all out just as it is, chaff and grain together, knowing that a faithful hand will take and sift them, keeping what is worth keeping, and then with the breath of kindness, blowing the rest away.
Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello, is this the residence of Wadiwala at the courtyard?
Yes, it is.
I have to talk to Habba.
May I know who is speaking?
This is her brother.
Brother? I didn't know Habba has a brother. What's your name?
That is none of your business.
I beg your pardon. How dare you call my house and say such rude words to me?
Tell Habba to come to the phone right now.
Who are you? Where are you calling from?
As I said, who I am is none of your business.
Whoever you are, I will not tolerate such nonsense. The nerve of this. I've about had it with you. If you don't stop calling my home, I will call the police.
I am calling from Kashmir. Your stupid American police cannot do anything to me here.
Kashmir? Who? What do you want with her?
You must be deaf. I said it is none of your business.
Yes, it is too. She's my guest. And how did you get my phone number?
You ask stupid questions. If you do not let me speak with her now, both of you will live to regret it.
How dare you threaten me? This is not Kashmir, you monster, or whatever you are.
I warned you, stupid woman. You're playing with fire.
Why don't you go and rut in? Who is it?
It's me, Habba. Are you okay?
I am okay. Why are you up?
I heard your angry voice. Is there any problem?
Mama, what is the matter? Troubles, yes? I heard voices very loud and angry. Is there a burglar?
No, beta. Some terrible man telephoned. He said he was calling from Kashmir.
Kashmir? Who?
Did you tell anyone back home where you will be staying while in America, Habba?
No. Yes. Oh my God. I told my husband's sister. She... Oh.
No, Mama. Don't answer.
Oh, Habba, you are shaking. Please sit on my bed. Please, beta, get some water, quick.
I am. My poor sister-in-law is gone. They must have tortured her to get the number from her.
No, don't say that. She...
I will talk to them.
That's not a good idea. The man sounded evil.
Please, answer the phone and let me talk to him. Please.
Okay, you answer it.
Hello?
Hello? Is this Habba?
Hello, Kusuchu?
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello, Kusaschu. Who is it?
Hello? What are you saying? Hello? Is this Habba?
Yes.
Habba, who advised you to go so far away? What do you think these people will do for you? Bolo?
What? I don't understand what you're saying. Who are you?
Sun, Aurat, don't act innocent. You very well know all of us. Who told you to go there to malign our image in the eyes of the world? Share your tragedy. Do you think you will get away with it?
Maligned you. Why would I do that? Who are you?
Bhool gayi kya? We have seen you hovering around for the past 9 years. You often pester us while searching for your sons. Yaad aaya?
Ya Allah! You! What business do you have calling me here? Who gave you the right?
We sure have lot of business with you, since your sons are supposed to be with us. Don't you agree? But let me tell you quickly. The fact is that your younger one is right here, with me. Do you hear that?
You are lying.
Am I?
It can't be. You have denied having my son in custody for so long. How come he's with you now? Don't try to trick me.
As if you know everything. Going to America has suddenly made you too confident. You sure are one restless mother. Don't be too sure.
I am.
Here is proof. Get up! Come here! Is your mother on the phone? Talk to her.
Hello, Moji. Moji, Bahachu.
Hello. Hey Allah! Is it you? It can't be. Farouk!
Hove Moji, Ani, Bahachu sai. Farooq zindai.
Zindai! Farouk! Lagiya balai! Farouk!
Ani Moji, Bahachus Moji.
Bus! Enough! Now listen, Habba. If you want to see him ever again, shut up! Shut up your big mouth and come back to Valley without creating a mess for us. Stop maligning us, or you can forget your son forever. Do I make it clear? I'm sure I made it very clear to you.
Hello? Farouk! Please give me my Farouk! Please!
What happened, Habba? I wish you didn't take that call.
Hello?
Habba, please tell me, what is it? Please, Habba, You can't go on crying. Tell us what happened.
I'm sorry, Akila. I don't mean to worry you, but I'm suddenly facing another nightmare.
Why? What happened? Was Farouk on the phone, yes?
Yes, it was Farouk. My son is alive.
Was he the man I spoke with?
No, it wasn't him. The man who called made him talk to me. Just a few words. Enough to stab my heart with a frozen dagger.
Are you sure it was him?
Yes, my sister. It was him. Who else would call me Amachi like that? It was him. Oh, Akila, my son. My Farouk is alive. It's been 9 years. He's alive. Oh, God, what will I do now?
Do now? What do you mean?
Habba, I am confused. If Farouk is alive, who was the angry man on the phone? Please tell us.
The angry man is from the authority. He threatened me. He said I must return back to the valley or they will not let Farouk live.
What?
Yes, said I must stop this maligning campaign.
Maligning campaign? Your coming here is not to malign, but to speak the truth to the world.
That's what you think. But they don't think it that way. They are fearing the power of truth. Cowards.
Truth. They must be apprehensive of being condemned the world over when the word gets out.
What will I do now, Akela? What about Farouk? He said they will kill my son.
Habba, there has to be a solution to this problem. Inshallah, we will find it before it's too late.
But what will I do? I have been limited to choosing between telling the world the truth or losing my son again. What will I do now? God, please show me the right path.
I know you are facing dilemma right now, but I am sure we can handle this. Don't worry. We will find a way.
This mother is worried evermore now. I am made helpless by the love for my son. His meek voice. Oh, I want to see him just once, to hear him again. But how can I forget thousands of other sons? How can I forget them? No, they can't blackmail me to return without completing my mission.
But what about Farouk? They will kill him, yes?
No, they will not. They cannot.
What do you mean?
I must decide.
I am sure you will make the right decision, Habba. Come, let's go to your room. Take a little rest. It's been too much for you. Things will become much clearer after we give it some more thought.
Used to tree panas Nirnadanas Kyachai kom Had kaidis Chulagi panas Panikot zan Dakı can